Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about app not downloading on App Store. Guys, if you are facing this problem, please watch this video until the end. Guys, first of all, open setting application appears on screen. Now scroll down here, simply tap on general. You can see appears on screen. Now simply tap on transfer or reset option. Guys, this is a primary solution about your problem. Simply tap on reset and do the reset network setting first. This is the first method. If your problem will not be solved after this setting, now go back and scroll down and search here App Store. Tap on it and you can see appears on screen. In section automatic download, apps section turn on from here. App update and automatic download turn on from here, and app download select ask it over 200 MB. Go back and guys, here check your iPhone storage, and next method, simply tap on general and go back, and here tap on reset and transfer or reset option. Here you can see simply tap on reset. Guys, first we did reset network setting, now reset all setting. Don't worry, don't lose your data. Guys, it will clear any problem in your iPhone by reset all setting. Simply tap on cancel, go back, and here simply now go back here. Guys, now last solution is turn on airplane mode from here. You can see now after few seconds turn off from here. You can see. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel.